Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 3rd of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Let's have a look at cable now, and cable has sort of consolidated in the last 18 hours or so. That's despite the fact that the euro has come under big selling pressure. The euro selling pressure, I think, has been driven by the disappointing PMIs out this morning. And the euro and sterling is waiting for the UK PMI, so on the service sector. So it's been consolidating. However, the weakness certainly remains in. Sorry, that's euro. The weakness certainly remains in place on sterling across the board. This is the longer term chart. Certainly remains very weak on the outlook, and yesterday's sharp reversal just reconfirms that, really. It is arguably it's still in this range, and anyone who's just watched my euro chart analysis would know that euro has actually broken the bottom of its range, so sterling has actually held up reasonably well, and it's been a bit choppy in the past few days. In terms of outlook, I suppose you'd argue the fact that it's trading below all the hourly moving averages, and the fact that the momentum indicators are towards the bottom of all their ranges would suggest that it's still fairly weak and within the range, and I suppose any rallies should be seen as a chance to sell. But as I said, this you've got quite a lot of data out today which can drive sterling. So you've got, first of all, the services PMI, and then you've got George Osborne's autumn statement at 12:30, which I'd imagine is going to have an impact on sterling periodically across what's usually about an hour's worth of his speech. And then you've also got factors such as the ADP employment, and also the non-manufacturing PMI for the ISM in the States. So a lot can drive cable, I think, today, but at the moment it's just consolidating a little bit in front of this move, but the outlook remains pretty negative, remains one of which you'd be selling into strength. The recovery that we saw a couple of days ago on Monday certainly has lost the impetus, and the downside momentum is now sort of gathering as a general basis. In terms of where you'd be looking at for selling opportunities, you've got an initial level that comes in around 56.70, which is a bit of a pivot, and maybe up towards 56.90, but obviously the old neckline of that base pattern at 57.36 is as well a bit of a resistance area. So a few levels for you to work with there, but I think any sort of rebound you get on the back of any data today should be seen as a chance to sell. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.